Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos, all right? And watching me chapstick these darn lips of mine. Okay. No, I hadn't been kissing anyone's ass. It's just wintertime as I'm making this video. It's December, let's see, 17th of 2024, okay? I like to put the date in my videos so you can kind of time reference, because you might be seeing this video 2 or 3 years down the road from when I'm making it live right now, okay? All I can tell you is what I'm about to show you works. It's affordable. This company's been around a good long time, okay? And I'm very happy this opportunity came my way, because I did not think of email when I first started doing online stuff just about a year and a half ago. Okay, email's been around, what, 30, 35 years? About 1990, you've got mail, okay? But emails, I'm telling you straight up, they're still effective. Most people know that half or 75% might be spam or crap that they have no use for. But you still get emails, and if the subject line is interesting enough, you'll probably open them up in at least 5-10 seconds to see if you want to delete it. But if something looks interesting, you'll probably open the video and click. Now, I like this opportunity because the leads are coming to me. These are people that want an opportunity to make money in their pajamas, I don't know, maybe on their cell phone, maybe on their laptop or home computer, okay? So if people are looking for something that you have, they're not going to be offended. Guys, I've sent out, I don't know how many emails over the last year and a half. It's well over 1 million at this point, okay? And I never get any problems, not with this company, because they handle spam issues and any type of policies or bullcrap that'll come up. These guys handle it all. All you're going to do is come up with a nice email, put a nice subject in that email, and click a button, then wait 23 hours. And then by the time you put in another email and subject, bam, do it again. And then do it again. Every day you get the email, your list, one time, every 23 hours. Not 24. They do it 23. So if you email at noon every day, you know, you're not doing it the same time. They minus it by 1 hour, 23. So the next day, maybe you can do it at 11, 10, or mix it up, okay? You don't have to email every day at all. If you're skiing or messing off, going camping, Disneyland, okay, don't worry about it. But this opportunity, you can go ahead and click a button, send one email out, and you're going to have a timer, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a live demo on how I'm going to send out 90-something thousand emails, and I'm going to show you how quick this goes, okay? So anyway, thank you for watching my videos, and I want you to go ahead and check my screen out. Okay, can you see? All right, good. Now, if you go to CoryDraper.com, okay, it's, let's see, maybe I can put my, okay, here's my business card. Sometimes it's easier if I just put it on my screen so you can see. Okay, CoryDraper.com, you're going to go to this exact page, okay? And if you go to the fourth button down, it says My Lead Gen. Okay, do you see that fourth button? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to click it, all right? You can also, and if you got a pen, paper, or a good memory, or I'll put the link below this video, you can go to Order Leads Today, Order Leads with an S, today.com. It'll also take you straight to this page right here that you can see on my screen. I want you to watch this YouTube video. It's about 8 or 9 minutes long, and it's a guy that's going to show you kind of similar to what I'm doing, but I like to do my way of video training, teaching, recruiting, but this guy is excellent as well. Okay, I've signed up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, probably 1,000 at this point, guys. Okay, all just by sending you to this page, having you watch that video, and if you want to join, boom, you hit this bottom left button. Okay, I want you to copy, emulate, do exactly what I do. I'll even give you 140, 150 emails. Okay, so you're not confused about how to email in the beginning, and you'll come up with your own style. Okay, so let's go back to basics. Go to CoryDraper.com. Okay, check. Boom. Go to this page. 1, 2, 3, fourth button down. My Lead Gen. Now, if you join, guys, it is $1 a day, and you're going to get 100 email leads every day. So when you get up, you're going to log in, and I'm going to show you right now. Why don't we do this live? Okay, if you join this company, this is the back office. And if you look down here, I'm going to hit this select all button because I'm in the tab called mailing system. But when you join, you'll start off on the home tab, my leads. Look at all these leads I have. Every day I get 200. Guys, I have well over 90,000 now. And I'm going to email all of them on this video. Go to some email swipes. Here's some nice emails you can buy from this company. The mailing system is how you write and produce an email and send it. Okay, statistics. You can look and see how many emails were opened and what's the conversion rate and how many people clicked your link. I mean, you can go to the affiliate section here. Okay, you can hit commission. And if you want to use this link right here, the sizzle page, guess what? It's the same page I just showed you where you watch the 8-9 minute YouTube video. So if people sign up, guys, this company pays you. And I've got 7 accounts with this company because it's only $30 a month. I make way more than $30 a month, so I just go ahead and get another account and another one and another one. So I have 7 accounts with this opportunity. Okay? All right. Now, you can go to advertising tab, and here's your account just to fill in, or you can log out, okay, just by clicking this. So every day, you're going to go to the middle tab called mailing system. Now, when you first join, you're going to hit this link right here that says click here to watch training video. And it's going to show you exactly how to make a simple video like I'm going to do, or a fancy one with pictures and just a bunch of cool stuff. I have a better response by just writing some simple words and have a link, and that's it, okay? But it's up to you on how fancy you want to do your video. Okay, you go down, and I hit the blue button that says mail by date. Okay, so you can see today's date, December 17th. Every day I get 200 leads. I'm going to hit the select all button. Look at that. It just loaded 91,900 people. These are people that have not opted out. That's not spam. Every one of these is deliverable. And this company, for $1 a day, handles it. $30. There's nothing more. There's not $31. There's not add-ons and all this extra fancy crap. Guys, you got $1 a day. This is what you're going to get. You're looking at it. Now, I go to the send button. And I can send from this company, but no one knows my lead gen. Okay? All my emails are from me. So see, I hit the blue button that says send from Cory Draper. Okay? Now, just for this video purpose, I'm going to drop down this box and look at all these emails that I've written. Every one of these works great. All right? If an email doesn't work, I change it and get rid of it. Okay? But look at all this. Isn't it kind of cool? All right. Now, if you already have an email that's worked good, you can use it again. Okay, and you can rewrite it, but why start from scratch? Now, if you want to, you're going to go say hi to the owner here. Hello, hello. You're going to go and just read this text inside the box, and then what you're going to do is just highlight it and clear it out. You want the whole box to be empty because you're going to make the email with these buttons here. I'm sure you've seen this menu, for 30 years. Okay, but it's very simple, very straight ahead. But what I'm going to show you is how you can come up here. And if I do the drop down arrow, and let's say I just want to go to, how about read this real quick, let me know. Here's an email I sent probably a week or 2 ago. Okay, it's in the chute right here, and I'm going to hit the word load. Okay, do you see how it loaded the email right here? All right, subject, read this real quick, let me know. I scroll down and look, there's the email. Okay, and you hit this red button called preview, and look at it. This is an exact email that I'll give you. And I'm going to send this live to 91,000 people. Hey there, how many times have you wondered, how do you make so much money online? What are they doing that you aren't? Is there anything that really works? The answer is yes. This works just about for anyone, no matter what your skill level or performance is. Click here and have a look for yourself. You'll be glad you did. Talk soon, Cory. Do you see how this email, I'm just writing it like a friend. It's not all wordsy and salesy and money, money, money and all this other crap. I want people to click this right here where it says click here. Now, when you're in preview mode, you should always click and make sure that it goes to your opportunity. Well, guess what? It goes right to the opportunity you're looking at. This email, I'm going to promote this system. Because guys, this company pays me about $200 to $2,500 a month, cash, and they give me 10 to 20,000 leads. I want you to do it. I want you to copy exactly what I do. Okay, take the guesswork out. So I like this email. I know it works. Now, do you see right here where it says perfect timing? If I want to put a little check you see the check that I just put in the blue box? If I want to click it or unclick it, okay, that's all you do, just click it. Now I'm going to put a check mark in there. Perfect timing. Listen how cool this software is. Every single lead before it emails can tell when is the most popular time of the day that person, that lead, opens their email. A lot of people get up in the morning, let's say by 6 to 8 in the morning, they check their email first thing. Then most people throughout the day check just through their cell phone, and then when they get home at night, they might just get behind a home computer and check. Well, this software, if you want it to, and you click this little check, it will deliver this email right before the most popular time they open their email. So let's say they open their email at 7 o'clock in the morning. This software will go ahead and email them like at 6:55 because they know at 7 o'clock they get up and they start looking at their email. The reason why is because you want your email to be at the top of the list. And if they delete it, they're going to delete it. Okay? But let this software do what it does. Look at that. 91,900 emails. And guess what? Tomorrow, I'm going to have 92,100 because I get 200 leads a day. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to hit the select all button, and I'm going to send out 92,000 tomorrow, 92,000 the next day, and the next day. I send every email in my account every day. People will opt out if they don't want your emails anymore. But no one opts out because they want my emails. They're looking for business opportunities. So right now, I like this email. It looks good. I like the spacing. Okay, it doesn't take up the whole screen, and I like the double space. And on a cell phone, this looks good too, because you can preview. You can just send this email to yourself and check it out. But right now, I love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and click the perfect timing check mark. I'm sorry. Okay, I like what I see. Now, do you see where it says send email? Okay, now watch what happens. It's going to think. See the little button? It's kind of like a little bubble there, just kind of blobbing around. Well, watch what happens. Your message has been queued. You should be able to view it in the statistics page in just a minute. Please wait another 22 hours and 59 minutes and 50 seconds before you mail again. Okay, so these 90,000 emails are going to go out every 2 or 3 seconds for the next 23 hours. And when this timer goes to 00, it disappears. And the little send button that was on the left side of the preview, it comes back. So guess what I do tomorrow? I go to the statistics page and see how it is. Or I just want to write an email from scratch. So I just type in my own subject here. Okay, and then I come down and I can make a little email how I did. And like I said, I'll for free give you like 140 emails. If you like the email that I just read to you, this one, guys, I'll give it to you for free and all the subjects. See how my subjects are kind of mysterious and kind of fun? How does this sound? You'll love this. What will you do? I hope this helps. It's the weekend. Take a look. Do you see how I don't put make money, earn money today? Do you want to get healthy and wealthy and wise? Guys, that's so salesy. No one's going to open your email. You got to remember people open email that are kind of mysterious and kind of like from a friend. Okay? How does this sound? How do I know this? Are you sure? Okay? People open my emails, guys. I'm super successful at doing this. So if you're interested, let's just go back to the basics one more time. You can go to CoryDraper.com if you'd like. And just remember, it's going to go to this page. And just go to the 4th button down. It says My Lead Gen. And when you click it, it goes to this page. Please watch the video. Just right here. It's a YouTube video. It's well done. And if you want to join, that's all you got to do, guys, right there. Just click that little red rectangle button, and you're on your way to get 100 email leads. And guys, you're going to have it like 5 minutes after you put your credit card in and purchase. Okay? This company, once you get like $25 or more in your account, just hit a button and they'll pay you. They don't pay every 2 weeks or every month or whatever. I usually make a couple $100 almost every day with this company. I just hit a button, and guess what? The next day, minus a couple buck processing fee, it just goes right into my bank that I've configured in the back office. So a couple days, I make $200 or $300. I just go and hit the button. If my cell phone is due, these darn things, they always eat up $100, don't they? I just go ahead and click the button and I have it. All right. That's awesome. This is such a great company. Owner is so cool. Just the nicest people. I've had a great relationship and response and just experience with this opportunity. Okay, so I sure hope that you look into it. Whatever opportunity you have online, or if you just want to email something that's regarding business, okay, this is for you. Because all the leads you're going to get, you keep. You can copy and paste them and keep on your home computer. You're going to see people's names. You're going to get their email addresses. You'll see the IP and even the city and everything else that they live in, okay? It's pretty powerful, guys. So if you want to email this list more than the once a day, you can go ahead and export, whatever it's called. You can go ahead and copy and paste those babies. And if you want to email, I mean, it's up to you. But what I do, I can't email 91,000 people. I just go ahead and write a nice email. I send it out. And guess what? If I want to send out another 100, 1,000, 200, 1,000 eventually, I just join again. If you're making more than $30 a month by doing this system, join it again. Just get a different email address and join yourself, okay? Because once one person joins you, you go from 100 leads a day to 200. That's why I have so darn many. Okay, I get 200 a day, and it's only $30. Okay, but sign up under yourself. That way you get 200, and you just need another email address. You don't have to get another credit card or nothing like that. Okay, the owner's like, hey, if you want a couple accounts, that's fine, but you have to have an individual email address for each account. It's just the way that the structure's set up and how you get paid. So go to Gmail, open up, I don't know, let's say you want 5 accounts. Just open up 5 Gmail. Same debit card, credit card, however you want to pay, work it out. The owner's super cool. Maybe he does that crypto too, all right? He even does PayPal and all those fancy things, okay? So this is how I'm pretty darn successful in a lot of businesses. Every day people are like, man, you're doing pretty well. In a lot of businesses, not just one. And I said, man, once I found out about this email thing, all right, it really did some nice things to me financially, okay? This is a nice affiliate program. It's a nice email system. And the tutorial how to make an email is super simple. And guys, if you want to sign up in my account, just click that link. And I'll gladly I'll be notified that you signed up. I'll just go ahead and email you the 100 and something emails. And then I'll go ahead with another email. I'll just put like subject examples. I'll send you like 100 and something subjects that I put in my emails so they get opened. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for the last 17, 18 minutes. Get excited. If you're shy and don't want to market on Facebook or TikTok, you don't want to do videos like I'm doing now, but you don't mind doing this with your fingers like Elton John playing piano, get your keyboard. Let's get you emailing. That way, while you're training or working or sleeping or hiking or showering or shaking your butt, whatever you're doing, have emails going out every couple seconds. And then in 23 hours, let's get another one going. And if you want to open up 2 accounts, all of a sudden we have 2 accounts. Because you're going to get multiple income. If you join me, guys, this is my goal. I don't want you having one income. I want you to have a bunch like I do. Okay? So just sit down, relax, get yourself maybe a little drink, put some ice in it or hot cocoa, depending on what your beverage choice is, and get excited because this works. All right, guys, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. All right? I'll have the contact information below the video anyway, okay? And like I said, CoryDraper.com. That's pretty darn simple. I'll just show you one last time. There you go, guys. All right. Then you're going to go to this page and just click the 4th button down, My Lead Gen. And if you just want to go straight to it, I also own, just remember, orderleadstoday.com. I'll show you everything I do to rock and roll with this opportunity, okay? All right, guys. 19 minutes. Awesome. Thank you for your time. You take care.